Alright, to get my first go at polishing, I took this lip that was pretty beat up. I assume it was in about similar condition to this one, very corroded with, that's actually pitting in there. So I went after it with, I saw something, online video that said vinegar and fine steel wool. So I went after it like that, and it scratched it up real good. But I obviously didn't get deep enough because there's still some pits in there. And then when I polished it, you can see that that's not, you can barely see my camera in there. That's not a mirror finish. So I was going with the black polish on my angle grinder polishing wheel, and you can see there's plenty of fine scratches in there. So how does that compare to ones that I tried to clean up yesterday that were already, I guess it's a little bit more of a mirror finish in there, but it's still got the scratches. You can see more of my camera phone, but not quite perfect. Now let's go over and take a look at the ones polished by, I guess, more of a professional. These are been sitting around, got dusty, and I have not tried to polish them, but this is really the match I guess I'm going for. And you can see those bolts right in there, it looks real good. And so that's a real nice polish on the outside. So I guess I'll try to see how I'm looking here. I mean, to some degree, shiny is shiny, and you can really see those bolt holes. And this is the one I just polished. So now how about this one? Yeah, still. So you see the pitting in there. Now this is the one that I'm worried about replacing. So I may try to use the same approach on this one that I did on this one to improve the quality of it, because it doesn't have any bends or lip damage. It's just got all this pitting. So I guess that'll be another probably hour. This one right here just has this stuff here, and I guess I might be able to sand that out and make a good lip out of this one too.